Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable app protection for Samsung Galaxy A27. App protection is basically antivirus built into your system. By default, there are two antivirus systems on your phone. One of them is by default enabled and one of them is disabled, and you can enable it. Let's go to the settings, then go to security and privacy. Now go to app security, and Google Play Protect is enabled by default, and I think it cannot be disabled. When I click on scan, it will start scanning my apps and it will tell me if I have any harmful apps. I don't have any, so now I can go to app protection. That one is by default disabled, so it will appear sort of like that. When I click on turn on, I can now scan the phone. It's powered by McAfee. The app protection service is powered by McAfee. So it uses McAfee database, which is quite large when it comes to viruses and stuff like that. Yeah, that is going to be basically it. It's going to scan your phone. You can set it to scan daily, and you can also set it to scan with each app installation. You can see no threats were detected in my case. When I click on three dots in top right corner, I can now auto scan apps daily and auto scan when installing apps. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.